Hi, today I'm with Scott. We're at Holiday Dynamics. You're the boss man here. We've known each other for about 20 years.
Yeah.
And this is where I got my start in the holiday lighting business. And Scott's had a passion for this all his life. It shows. He's an innovator, and he knows how to create lights that people love. And he also has a system for guys that are wanting to get in the business and get a start in the holiday lighting business.
Yeah, so here at Holiday Dynamics we design and manufacture all of our products, and I think that's one thing that keeps us ahead of everyone else, is keeping the unique pieces out there and introducing something new every year. But at the same time, we also offer the ins and outs of getting involved in this business, having the right products, having the right knowledge of how to do the bid, and having the right marketing materials and how to introduce yourself into this industry, which a lot of people think it's a part-time thing, but once you get involved in it, it is a full-time service. We have a full staff on board, and we stock all the products, and we probably have, I don't know how many affiliates across the country that we supply the product to and stuff. So it's been fun. But the passion, where all that fun part comes in, is designing all these unique and fun products that we have here today and turning it into the RGB stuff. And it offers then you to go out and offer your customers something different and unique that nobody else has on the market. And so I think that's what's contributed a lot of our success here on Holiday Dynamics.
Right. You have an awesome product line, so we're going to take a few minutes and let you kind of walk us around and show us stuff. Does that sound good to you?
Let's do it. So our first product, and kind of our claim to fame, was our artistic line. And our artistic line consists of a lot of different designs, which range from icicles to snowflakes to candy canes, gift boxes, and this is what creates the unique, different look to hang off the home and create the individuality and the personality of the homeowners. So today we're looking at one of our original ones. This was our snowflake piece. They all come in 4-foot sections, so it's simple to go out there and decorate a home when you move the ladder once and you hang 2 pieces, you've covered 8 feet. So the Spritzer display up there is a versatile piece because you can lay it flat on one side, you can shape it so it's full 3D. This was our standard one. We introduced this last year. This makes it really simple to go out and decorate trees with. It allows you to go out there and not have to do a tight wrap around every single branch. It allows you to hang an odd number up into the tops of the trees, and why we wrap the trunks. We also offer a variety of different display pieces, as we're looking at the gingerbread scene right here. Other popular displays are our cherry trees here. These come in 7 foot and a full variety of all colors on those, and into a fire maple. If we pan over here, they're also available in 13 foot. So now we also are doing the resin pieces as well. These are made for outdoor use, and they're all UV coated. We've incorporated in some LEDs into these beautiful deer pieces. We also have taken Santa, put him on a sensor, so when you walk by, he'll wish you a Merry Christmas and sing to you. And at the same time, he's a waving Santa. So here's our winter bark trees. These are really popular, both for the holiday, but also extremely popular for weddings and the wedding reception. So these are available in 4 foot, 8 foot, and 6 foot. They all have a nice little twinkle effect into them as well, and you can also get them in steady. A new design we have for this year, we've had our Happy Holidays and Merry Christmas signs for many years, but we're actually including the RGB lights in on them now. So it's app-based, it's user-friendly, they all have their own Wi-Fi controller on them, and so the interface is done through the app, and it's very simple to use. So we've been working on this for a couple years now to simplify the process so everyone can just enjoy it. We also offer a full line of beautiful foliage, all made for outdoor use. This is our 6-foot 3D wreath up here. So this is our next product line, is the Boxwood. We're just now introducing this for this year as well. We're really excited about this product line. It's made for outdoor use, and it's all UV coated. So it's meant to be out in all weather elements, and the design capacity is unlimited. You can visit us at Holiday Dynamics and get signed up. We have training classes available, and get involved in the holiday decorating business.